Do you still think about the Kelly formula in terms of developing probabilities of success for your ideas? Kelly
Uh,
formula. Yeah.
I'm glad you brought up the Kelly formula. The Kelly formula was a mistake on my part. I should have never put it into my book. I should have never talked about it. It works if you are doing, you know, 5,000 coin tosses, where you're repeatedly making bets with known odds. I mean, if you had heads was 51%, tails was 49%, and someone allowed you to do 5,000 coin tosses, and you got to pick heads, that would be great to use the Kelly formula to set your bet size and all of that. But in investing, at least the way we practice investing, you're making one-off bets. It's not like 5,000 coin tosses, so it doesn't apply. And so, in hindsight, I realized that if I were to ever do another version of my book or another edition where the odds are low, I would acknowledge that and take that out. So don't worry about the Kelly formula unless you are in some kind of situation with the ability to make a lot of bets with odds in your favor frequently.